Here is Infiniti QX60. Let's go ahead and get started. Open the driver's side door. Right over there is a primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Infiniti emblem, put one finger there and push it left. If you're not able to push left, push down on the hood first a little bit, then push left and lift up the hood. This hood stays in place, being supported by the two hood struts right over there. Now right over there where the battery is, all we have to do is just take off 5 10mm bolts, 1, 2 for the electrical connectors, and the third one the bracket up, and all of them are 10mm. It's helpful if you have a long extension like this because the battery is all the way down there. Let's start with the negative terminal wire right over there. Let's just loosen this nut, and the goal is to just loosen it enough so that we can get the wire off of the battery post. Just wiggle it and it should be able to come right off. Now set it aside so there's no more accidental contact. Repeat the process for the positive terminal. Same thing, just get the wire off of it and set it aside. Now this nut over here for the battery bracket, just take it off completely. Take it out, set it aside, keep it safe. Don't lose this nut. Repeat the process for the other one, and this one as well. It's easier if you just take it off completely, but if you cannot, you can just take it off all the way. You can just take it off enough so that the bracket is loose like this, and then let's take off this 5th bolt over here. That's the 5th one, 10mm again. Take it out and the entire bracket comes off. Now move the battery and you'll be able to get it out. The battery is going to be heavy, so be careful, do not drop it. Now this battery tray, it should not come out, but if it does, I'll show you how to put it back in. See, there are holes over there inside there, and there are 3 dimples over here on the tray itself. Align the tray with those holes as best as you can. Set it in place, and now put 2 fingers, one in each of those holes over there where the dimples are, and try moving it. It'll just drop into the holes over there and align itself. Now that's the hole where the rod end of the bracket goes. The battery type is group 35. Plus sign is for the positive side, minus sign is for the negative side. I'm just going to put this battery back in, but you have to get a new battery, put it back in, make sure it's aligned properly. Let's get the battery bracket in place first, and now let's focus on this one rod over here. It goes in that hole there, it's aligned properly, and now let's just get this bolt on, the upper bolt on first, hand tighten it, and tighten this rod down. Keep one hand on the rod to prevent it from spinning, and then use your other hand to just tighten the nut down all the way. It's locked in place. That is good. You just have to tighten it. It may take you a minute to actually tighten it down properly, so be patient. Tighten this bolt down as well. And now finally the third one. Let's get the rod over here through this hole, and then let's just hand tighten the nut first, and then we'll tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination. With these 3 bolts and nuts tight, the battery should be fixed in place and shouldn't be moving. Now let's first put this positive terminal wire on, and it's important that you push it down as best as you can. Otherwise you'll have contact issues and just all kinds of issues later on. Tighten it down, make sure it's not moving. That's good. Repeat the process for the negative one, and the moment you do this, the connection is going to be formed and you may see some sparks over there, and that's totally normal. Just push this down as best as you can and then tighten it down. Let's put this cap back on, and that's about it. Let's go into the car and try this out. I put it in on, the lights are coming on. Let's try turning the engine on as well. And the engine turns on, no issues, no warning lights on the dash, everything's working good over here. To close the hood, simply grab it, lower it, and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.